Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
头份市最特殊的节庆是每年农历的4月8日。根据地方耆老的说法，日本时代上街与下街的皇城两家士绅，在元宵节比赛花灯，但不分上下，就约在3月23日妈祖生再较量一次，仍无胜负。于是决定在农历4月8做最后总决赛。这天同时是田寮里永贞宫迎妈祖回銮的日子，乡民除了演戏酬神，还会邀请亲朋好友来做客看戏，形成镇上1年1度难得的盛事。
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
We're at the beginning of the Year of the Rooster here. But I want to talk about a tradition during Chinese New Year, and that is the Lantern Festival.
Right.
You've heard
the
of this,
Festival
right?
of Lights.
Yes, it is.
Which is kind of like Niagara Falls Winter Festival of Lights.
That's right. You guys have that in Canada.
In Canada, where I'm from. That's right. So basically for that festival, they have this 8-kilometer path around the balls, and they light it up with like millions and millions of lights. Yeah, and they also have laser light shows, and they decorate everything, and they have fireworks and concerts. It's a beautiful event, and they call it Deck the Falls instead of Deck the Halls.
Play on a Christmas term there.
Yeah.
So it happens during that time, and
Yeah.
it sounds very festive, but that's more of a festival, correct?
Yeah.
I want to introduce everyone to a lantern competition here in the Hakka culture, and this dates all the way back to the Japanese colonial period, where there were two Hakka families, the Chen and the Huang, and they held this lantern design competition. They were so good at it, they were tied that day. And so they decided to hold this competition again next month on Mazu's birthday.
They were tied.
Tied again.
Okay, that is intense.
So they're going to delay this until 4月8,
4月8.
which actually means 4月8.
Oh, okay. Well, speaking of lanterns, it's kind of like walking with lanterns in Germany, which is an event celebrating St. Martin's Day on November 11th.
Okay.
So basically, St. Martin is the patron saint of children and the poor.
Yep.
And the story goes that when he was a Roman soldier, he gave his soldier's coat to a poor beggar on the street to
so
save him from
nice.
freezing.
Yes.
Yeah, so that festival celebrates St. Martin's. And the children would make their own lanterns, and they would have this parade at night along the street.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's so
cute.
similar, actually.
Yeah.
I think we should have a cultural exchange, a lantern exchange with Germany sometime.
Yeah, that'd be
then.
awesome.
Yeah. Well, now you learn more about the traditions of lanterns around the world. Let's teach you some of the vocabulary associated with these traditions, such as 4月8, or the 8th day of the 4th lunar month.
新月半
4月8. And then it all takes place on Lantern Festival, 元宵节.
长夜班
长夜班. And now you know. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka. 俺是谁？张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.